If your income is not where you want it to be, it's probably because you're not talking to enough of the right people. In this video, we're gonna break down exactly who should be on your call list today. I'm Lee Rosa, coach with Glover U, and today we're gonna break down the framework for the path to payday. Today, we're gonna be talking about the two groups of people that you should be calling if you want consistent closings, and that's the people who you know and the people who you don't know. I'm going to explain in this video why only speaking with the sphere of influence is risky and how to build confidence in speaking to those that you don't know, like for sale by owners, expireds, circle prospecting, and even open house leads. Success doesn't come alone. Success comes from consistent execution, and this is the foundation of the path to payday. So who should we be calling? Well, there's three ways to generate leads in real estate. We can buy them, we can wait for them, or we can have sweat equity going out and earning them. So leads is the foundation of any real estate business, because if we don't have leads, we don't have appointments, and if we don't have appointments, we aren't closer to the path to payday. So today we're gonna dive down exactly how to generate appointments from the two types of people. But first, we have to know who the different groups of people are that we can reach out to and communicate with. The path to payday. The first is the people who we know. And this is our sphere of influence, which is friends, family, our past clients, and referrals from our past clients. The second is the people who we don't know. And this is for sale by owners, expireds, circle prospecting, open house leads, internet leads. Before we dive into the different groups of people that you don't know, we must have a foundational understanding that if the people who you know are not meeting with you in direct proportion to your financial goals, we must build the confidence, the skills, and understand the models and systems to start speaking to with confidence and converting the people who you don't know into appointments and contracts. Let's break down expireds. An expired is a homeowner who listed with a professional real estate agent that had a period of time where the agent failed at what they promised the seller they would do, sell their home, achieve the goal of the homeowner. And now, the day that the property expires, you and I have an opportunity to communicate with the seller because the listing has expired and help the seller achieve their goals by first communicating with them and sharing your plan. During the contract, the listing period, no agent can communicate with the home seller. And the moment that the property expires, you and I have the opportunity to communicate to help the seller realize that with a different approach, we can have a different result. We're gonna break down expired listings later on in the series. The second lead source is for sale by owners, and we call it in the industry FSBOs. These are homeowners who believe they could sell it on their own. They may have had a bad experience with a real estate agent, and many are simply putting a sign in the yard to interview professional real estate agents like you, and all you need to do is see exactly how. The third is open house leads. These are leads that come to a house that you're holding open or that you generate from the activities leading up to the house being held open. These can be held on the weekend, twilight, or even during the week, and we'll be breaking this down later. The fourth type of lead are online internet leads, also known as an IDX lead, where homeowners and home buyers are looking online for homes where they may want to move to. Your job is to meet them where they are, have patience, provide tremendous value, and we'll be going deep into this later. The last type of lead that we're gonna introduce today is circle prospecting. And this is where we call around the neighborhood, letting the neighbors know that we're holding a house open, that we just listed a house or just sold a house, and introducing hybrid farming, which we'll be going super deep in later videos. So now that you know the different types of leads, the next step would be what limiting beliefs or ideas are you putting in your head that you can or cannot succeed in speaking to people that you don't know. In the next video, I'm going to be talking about exactly how to remove limiting beliefs so that you have the confidence necessary to to speak to the people that you don't know so that we together can generate as much income as your family needs you to provide. So here's your challenge. Make one extra call to a friend, a stranger, track it, repeat. You're on your way to the path to payday. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, it really helps my channel, and share it to an agent who you believe would see value in this introduction.